Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean your feet properly. This will be a full tutorial, but also a relatively easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, cleaning your feet is something that you should be doing on a daily basis because it prevents bacteria buildup and it helps to keep your feet, your toenails, your toes, the soles of your feet, the tops, everything nice and healthy looking and healthy feeling. And you are standing on these things all the time, so it's a good idea to keep them nice and clean and healthy, okay? Now, with that being said, a lot of people will just clean their feet like this in the shower, quick, they're in the bath, done, right? And that's unfortunately not good enough, okay? I hate to say it's not good enough, I don't like saying those words, but it isn't, it's just not good enough. All that you need is honestly an extra few seconds and you can do a fantastic job at cleaning your feet. So I'm only going to be cleaning this foot right here just because it's the same thing. The same process will be repeated with the other foot. This foot is already nice and wet, so you want to make sure your foot is nice and wet, okay? Then you want to take some soap. Just lather both of your hands. It's best to use both of your hands, okay? And put the soap to the side over here. And you want to essentially go on the top and bottom. So we're going to go on the top and the bottom of the foot right here, scrubbing the bottom and the top at the same time, okay? Then we're going to go on the sides. So this side over here, this side over here, which is, I'm doing the underside over here. And then we're going to go the bottoms of the toes, like this, okay? We're going to go the tops of the toes as well, like that. Okay, and then we're going to do between the toes, just like that. So just quickly between each toe, get any lint from your socks out of there. I always laugh because I always find lint in between my toes. I don't know why, but it just always happens. And then you're just going to go and just make sure you get your toenails, right? Make sure you scrub your toenails. That's it. Once that's done, you can rinse it off. And don't go away just yet because I have a little bonus step. I do have my little wand over here. I'm going to turn the water on. Oops, a little too much pressure there. All right, there. Ooh, it's a little bit chilly. I should let the water warm up before I started this video. Oh man, I'm in my basement washroom and I put one of those shower towers in. You know, like it's like a tower, it has all like a wand, it has the sprayers, it has like a rainfall head, and I love it. And the wand is something that I use all the time, and I thought I would never use it, but I use it all the time to clean the shower, to do things like this, wash my feet, you know. I use it all the time. There we go, there's a nice warm water, just waiting for it. All right. Anyways, I'm going to turn the water off. Actually, let me just wash my hands for a quick moment so I don't have soap all over them. I'm going to close the water, turn off the water, and that's it. My feet are nice and sparkling clean. Now, as an added bonus, if you want to clean your feet and also improve the way they look, they feel, everything about them, right? Then you want to incorporate some moisturizer as well. You can use pretty much any moisturizer. I honestly always use just whatever moisturizer my wife has. She always buys different kinds of moisturizers. She tries different ones all the time. So I just use whichever one she has in our bathroom. I just use it, okay? Very simple. So I'm not going to do it because my foot is wet, but when your foot is dry, you're going to squeeze some moisturizer on your hand and then just rub that moisturizer on your foot like that, and that will actually do a fantastic job at moisturizing your feet as well. There's still a little soap on there, unfortunately. I didn't get the top here. There we go. All right, so I'm going to just turn this off. I'm in my shorts. I don't want to get my shorts soaking wet. So I'm trying to do it low pressure. But anyways, that is how to wash your feet and clean your feet properly. Oftentimes I do yard work and I'll get dirt all over my feet, or I'm doing home projects and I'll get dirt all on my feet, you know, if I'm working outside in the rain and stuff like that. And I always have to wash my feet to get them, you know, like almost looking like brand new, basically, for lack of better terms, just because I don't want to drag that dirt all over the house, because then I got to clean it all over the house as well. So, it's a strategy for healthy feet, but it's also a strategy so that you have to do less cleaning on your floors as well. Take it from me, time is money, time is precious. So less time that you have to spend cleaning up the mess that you made with your feet, the better. So that is basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video instructional tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.